Have you completed your +2 or graduation and are still searching for the right career? Are you already working but looking to switch to a high-demand industry? Then this video could change your career journey. One of the fastest-growing industries today is the U.S. healthcare industry. Healthcare Revenue Cycle Management, RCM, and Healthcare IT offer excellent opportunities for freshers and experienced professionals. Who can start a career in healthcare, RCM, and healthcare IT? +2 pass students, degree students, BCom, BSc, BTech, MBA, MCA, graduates, freshers, experienced professionals planning a career switch. If you have basic computer knowledge and a willingness to learn, you can begin your journey. In healthcare, RCM, you will learn how hospitals and insurance companies manage billing and payments. You will learn medical billing insurance verification, payment posting accounts, receivable denial management, claims processing. In healthcare IT, you will learn how technology supports hospitals and healthcare organizations. Topics include EMR and EHR systems, Epic application, HL7 and FHIR Basics, healthcare analytics, advanced Excel, business analysis, concepts SQL. Good news, our new healthcare RCM and healthcare IT training batches starting soon. Live online classes, beginner-friendly training, real-time examples, resume preparation. Interview guidance. Enrollment is now open and seats are limited. Comment RCM or Healthcare IT below for more details. Subscribe to our channel and start building your future today.